Are you a drummer heading on a trip? Wondering if you can bring your drumsticks on a plane? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll tell you everything you need to know about taking drumsticks on domestic and international flights. All types of drumsticks, marching band sticks, brushes, brooms, and swizzles, are allowed in both carry-on and checked baggage. But, here's the catch, they may be subject to extra screening at the security checkpoint. If you're carrying them in your hand luggage, a TSA officer might ask to inspect your drumsticks. Don't worry, it's just a quick check to make sure everything's in order. Sometimes metal parts can trigger the detectors, but it's usually no big deal. Most travelers with drumsticks don't face any issues, especially if they pack them neatly. A friendly conversation can go a long way to smooth out the process. Remember, airport security is just doing their job to keep everyone safe. According to the TSA, you can bring your drumsticks in your carry-on. But if they're large or unusual, the final decision rests with the security officer. They may ask you to place them in checked baggage if they think they could pose a threat. To avoid any issues, it's a good idea to pack your drumsticks carefully, especially if you're checking them in. Adding some padding or placing them in a protective case can help keep them safe during the journey. Even though drumsticks are generally allowed, remember that items can still be subject to further inspection. Just be prepared to explain what they are, especially for anything unusual like bass drum mallets. If you want to avoid any hassle at security, consider packing your drumsticks in checked luggage. It'll make the process smoother and give you peace of mind. So, yes, you can take your drumsticks with you on a plane, just be mindful of how you pack them. Whether you're drumming on stage or on vacation, your sticks can come along for the ride. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and hacks. See you in the next video.